Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to do this cause when I was starting on Reddit, it was really confusing at the start at first. So I created a new account. And, as you can see, I have one karma, and I wanted to show you what's the fastest way to start earning it. So you can actually post stuff on Reddit. So you can just go on Ask Reddit. On new comments, I would go and just try searching for the, how do you call it, for the comments. This one, what's the most embarrassing way to die, and just search it on Google and check, because usually the posts that are posted on Reddit, they've been answered in the past. So this one, and you just, when you open it and you see which comment was the most upvoted one, and you just repost it, and that should usually be the easiest way how to make comment karma, how to earn it, because you're gonna need, I think it's 10 comment karma or something like that, or 15 if you want to make a video post or something like that. And it doesn't matter on which subreddit you are, so it's the same. So I'm just checking now if there is anything else to have to see. Okay, we're gonna do this one. We'll see what happens. And you can also just go around the newer posts and just check all of them and see which one has the potential to grow, or something that people are gonna actually interact inside. So I'm gonna do this comment also. And I would say don't post maybe controversial or anything like that people post and got a lot of upvotes, because it can happen, because I don't think that this community is actually tolerant about every view. So you can get in minus really fast if you're not careful about it. So it depends what you want. If you just want to argue, then yeah, but if you want to earn certain amount of things so you can actually promote stuff on Reddit afterwards, then rather don't post shit that can be a little bit dodgy. So that's why I'm not posting this one, because I don't know, if somebody's gonna have some kind of other opinions about it, and especially in today's world, 6 years ago it was different, but now I don't know. So I'll just post this comment and I'll see what happens afterwards. Yeah, and also because it's a completely new account, that's why if I had karma or something like that, I could be able to do more posts at the time. But at the start they do, I don't even know how many posts you can do at the start. I think it's 1, 2, and then you have to wait 10 minutes or something like that to do a second one. You won't be able to just spam all the time. So okay, we'll be able to do it now, that you're gonna go through, and I'm gonna show you afterwards. Yeah, so it went through. We still have just one karma. So the second thing you can do is you go to this subreddit AWW, and it's stuff where people post their pets and those kind of stuff. So if you also comment here that an animal is really cute, you just do it in an original way, you should gain a lot of karma. But we're gonna do a post today. So practically you can go on Google and just go on a site like Pixabay or something and upload royalty free. But the better thing is to just go on, if you maybe have a picture of a pet of your own, so it's not exactly from the internet. So I downloaded one of my friends sent me, so I'll just upload this one and I'll say something. I don't even know, what can I say? Maybe maybe the new addition to the family or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna do the newest addition to our family, and we're gonna post that, and we should get like some karma for it. 100%. It's gonna work all the time. Yeah, and we'll see. We'll just have to wait for some time, and that's it. And it should be like quite fast for the people to react. And the third easiest way, at least for me, you can go like the subreddit free karma for you and just check which one has the most amount of viewers, the most like the participants, and you can make a post here. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll come back after when it's done. So practically here it is. In like 1 hour I got like 36 karma, so I can start making posts, even like if I upload a video or something, and just like to promote it on the so it goes through, because otherwise you won't be able to do it. And that's it.